Be positive minded person by avoiding these negative emotions. Hey guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing so you wouldn't miss interesting and personality development videos like this. The man can create anything which he can imagine. So, you have to think positively and you must remove negative thoughts from your mind. Here I explain you 7 major negative emotions which you must avoid in your life. Let's begin. Number 1. The emotion of fear. Fear is among the most powerful of all emotions. And since emotions are far more powerful than thoughts, fear can overcome even the strongest parts of our intelligence. It is an emotion induced by perceived danger or threat which causes physiological changes and ultimately behavioral changes. Number 2. The emotion of jealousy. Jealous is sometimes called green eye monster because it can feel like you have a monster inside you that you can't control. Jealousy can come from feeling of low self-esteem or lack of confidence. It is complex emotion that encompasses feelings ranging from suspicious to rage to fear to humiliation. Number 3. The emotion of hatred. Hatred is feeling. It can cause an angry or resentful emotional response which can be used against certain people or ideas. It's a very dangerous emotion which we must avoid in our life. Number 4. The emotion of revenge. It is the act of committing a harmful action against a person or group in response to grievance. It is inherently unhealthy because it takes a physiological and physical toll on the person. Number 5. The emotion of greed. Greediness denotes an excessive, extreme desire for something, often more than one's proper share. It's also a selfish and excessive desire for more of something than is needed. It is also a major negative emotion you must avoid. Number 6. The emotion of superstition. It is any belief or practice based upon one's trust in luck or other irrational, unscientific, or supernatural forces. Often it arises from ignorance, a misunderstanding of science, or causality in a belief in fate or magic or fear of that which is unknown. Number 7 and the last one, the emotion of anger. Anger, also known as rage, is an intense emotional state involving a strong, uncomfortable, and hostile response to a perceived provocation, hurt, or threat. A person experiencing anger will often experience physical effects such as increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and increased level of adrenaline. Anger becomes the predominating feeling behaviorally, cognitively, and physiologically when a person makes the conscious choice to take action to immediately stop the threatening behavior of another outside force. It's your responsibility to make sure that positive emotions constitute the dominating influence of your mind. If you want to become a positive and rich and successful person, you need to avoid these 7 major negative emotions from your mind. If you learn from this video, share this with your friends and family members. And finally, thanks for watching.